guys, how are you doing? My name is Matt. Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in my kitchen. You'll see why in a minute. If you have never been here before and this is the first video we are watching together, my name is Matt. I am a quarantine turned me full-time reseller on the POSHMARK app and eBay, and I also make videos about my reseller journey to document it for you guys. So, as you can tell by this video, there's a lot of shoes in front of me. Thankfully, they're already clean. This video is going to be a little hack on how I clean shoes and what products I use. So if you, throughout the video, do wonder about these products, down below in the description is my Amazon storefront. And you can get the same products as I have because they work and I've learned through trial and error. These were really, really dirty. Now they're super white. Also, we'll see about this one because this is suede. It's Kate Spade. There was a sticker mark here, so I just took detergent and a towel. It worked for my chair when I spilled something on it, so I'll keep you updated on Instagram if this one works. So if you do like anything throughout this video or you learn something, definitely consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. It always helps. My goal with this channel is to get it monetized in the next 6 months. I used to have it monetized for when I used to do acting videos and such, but a few years back, eBay changed their terms and you have to have like 4,000 watch hours in the past year and 1,000 subscribers. I have the subscribers and only have 90 watch hours. So share this with your friends, everybody. I love you. Let's get right into this video, and if you do want to figure out how to clean shoes, stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? I am currently doing a video and doing a live to show everyone behind the scenes. I am basically showing you how perfectly to clean shoes from a thrift store when you get them and the products to use. All the tricks, all the goods. Oh my god, hi. I'm all over the place. This is my energy. But I'm gonna end the live here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And now if you wanna find out how to clean shoes, go subscribe to me on YouTube. Mwah, I love you guys. God, that marketing was great. I found a new way to clean shoes and they look incredible. I learned this one product, this product right here from Josh at Harry Tornado. So he's great reseller. So yeah, shout out to him. I'm gonna show you step by step on what I do and the products I use. Those are my hideous curtains. So it's these, the grandma curtains. And my sister said don't put them in any video. So this is a shoe that I already cleaned. Amazing. This was like black with dirt on the top. And I threw this, with running shoes, I usually throw them in the washing machine with a towel so they don't bang around. And they come out perfect, and then I just scrub the bottoms with a grout brush. So, yeah. So, let me just start off with the products that I use to clean shoes. There's a sticker from the Thrift and it's sticky, Goo Gone. These are really dirty. You see that? Sometimes I will wash and bleach shoelaces, but most of the time it's not worth the time. Throw the shoelaces away. I don't even want to unlace them, they take forever. Cut them off, and I'll buy like a lot of shoelaces on Amazon for thrift shoes that I need to replace and sell the shoes. Because really you can use any shoelaces. I'll buy a few colors in a lot, you know. And then I'll throw them away. It's kind of fun and like satisfying to pull these out. And then we're done with that. So now I can actually show you how dirty it is. Look how gross it is. And like, this is the one that I already cleaned. Look how good that looks. This has a lot of dirt on it right here. And then I'm just gonna literally, I don't even use really OxiClean for this. I literally just take the eraser, really lightly go over it. And then look at that. Now I'm gonna do the whole shoe and I'm gonna put it in time lapse. Let's go. And now for the bottom of the shoes, I don't use OxiClean. I do this. Take Palmolive Oxy. It's a dish soap, grease cutting dish soap. Try not to get it on the top part, especially if it's suede, but I have gotten on it a million times. Like the last pair that I did right here is suede all up here, and I got it on, it dried, and there was no issue. The only times it leaves a stain on suede is if there's already dirt in the suede, and then the dirt expands when water hits it. God, science is great. And if I don't know what I'm talking about and that's wrong, leave me alone. This is all black right here on the fabric part. So I'm going to take the fabric and rub it with the brush, but with OxyClean, because it turns it white. And we're gonna see if, I'm literally doing fabric, so I don't have to put the whole shoe in the washing machine and it will damage it by bouncing around. You can't probably hear me. Like, look how wet I'm getting it, and it's not gonna be like be ruined. I didn't clean this fabric part of this one, but I did of this one. So let me show you the before and after. It's all brown and stuff on the sides, you see that? Here's the after. Amazing. And then these are going to be sold now. Woo! Awesome. So if you did like this video and like tips and tricks, I know it was a little quick video, then subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Hit the like button if you learned something, and comment down below on what you want to see. Give me a follow over on Instagram at WhySoThriftyStore. All my links are in the bio. Again, if you do want any of these products, I have an Amazon storefront down below in the links. And yeah, I do get a little kickback from you shopping through my links, but I appreciate it. I'm always honest and straightforward on this channel. I wish you guys an incredible Black Friday weekend. Get so many sales. Mwah. I love you guys. See you next time.